Denotation of the 11th house lord in each of the 12 houses in the horoscope. The denotation of the 11th house lord in each of the 12 houses in a horoscope provides insights into areas related to friendships, social networks, goals, and aspirations. Here is a general overview of the denotations. First house. When the 11th house lord is in the first house, it suggests that the individual's friendships and social networks are closely connected to their personal identity. They may have a wide circle of friends, and their goals and aspirations may be strongly influenced by their social interactions. Second house. When the 11th house lord is in the second house, it indicates that the individual's friendships and social networks may have an impact on their financial resources and values. They may have friends who are supportive of their financial goals, and their aspirations may involve acquiring wealth and material possessions. Third house. When the 11th house lord is in the third house, it suggests that the individual's friendships and social networks may involve communication, siblings, or local community. They may have friends who are like-minded in terms of intellectual pursuits, and their aspirations may involve networking, writing, or learning new skills. Fourth house. When the 11th house lord is in the fourth house, it indicates that the individual's friendships and social networks may be closely connected to their home, family, and emotional foundation. They may have friends who feel like family, and their aspirations may involve creating a nurturing and supportive environment for themselves and others. Fifth house. When the 11th house lord is in the fifth house, it suggests that the individual's friendships and social networks may revolve around creativity, romance, and self-expression. They may have friends who share similar hobbies or creative interests, and their aspirations may involve pursuing artistic endeavors or finding joy through self-expression. Sixth house. When the 11th house lord is in the sixth house, it indicates that the individual's friendships and social networks may be related to work, health, or service. They may have friends who are supportive in their professional endeavors, and their aspirations may involve making a positive impact on the well-being of others. Seventh house. When the 11th house lord is in the seventh house, it suggests that the individual's friendships and social networks may be closely tied to partnerships and collaborations. They may have friends who become romantic partners or business partners, and their aspirations may involve building successful and harmonious relationships. Eighth house. When the 11th house lord is in the eighth house, it indicates that the individual's friendships and social networks may involve shared resources, transformation, or research. They may have friends who provide emotional support during challenging times, and their aspirations may involve delving into deep and transformative experiences. Ninth house. When the 11th house lord is in the ninth house, it suggests that the individual's friendships and social networks may be connected to travel, higher education, or spiritual pursuits. They may have friends who share similar philosophical or religious beliefs, and their aspirations may involve expanding their knowledge and seeking spiritual growth. 10th house. When the 11th house lord is in the 10th house, it indicates that the individual's friendships and social networks may play a significant role in their career and public image. They may have influential friends or belong to professional networks, and their aspirations may involve achieving success and recognition in their chosen field. 11th house. When the 11th house lord is in the 11th house itself, it amplifies the energies of friendships, social networks, and aspirations. The individual may have a wide and diverse circle of friends, and their goals and aspirations may be a central focus of their life. 12th house. When the 11th house lord is in the 12th house, it suggests that the individual's friendships and social networks may have a spiritual or behind-the-scenes quality. They may have friends who are supportive in times of solitude or retreat, and their aspirations may involve working towards collective goals or engaging in humanitarian endeavors. It's important to note that these interpretations are general in nature, and the specific effects may vary based on the overall chart and planetary aspects.